Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to show you a sample response for TOEFL speaking, question number 1. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share it with everyone you know. If you want to buy books to practice for TOEFL directly from Amazon, click on the first links in the description of this video. I disagree with the statement that robots will replace a majority of jobs in the next decade. While technological advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence are rapidly evolving, the complete displacement of human labor is improbable. Robots excel at repetitive and precise tasks, yet they lack the nuanced understanding and emotional intelligence necessary for roles requiring creativity, critical thinking, and interpersonal skills. Jobs in healthcare, education, and the arts, for example, necessitate a human touch that machines cannot replicate. Furthermore, new industries and job opportunities will emerge as technology progresses, potentially offsetting job losses in traditional sectors. Therefore, rather than witnessing a majority job replacement, we are likely to experience a transformation in the job market where humans and robots coexist and complement each other. Thank you so much for watching our video. Do you have a specific question for TOEFL speaking that you would like to see in one of our videos? Leave a comment below. Have a great day, and I will see you in our next video.